All right, look at this beautiful day. But anyway, back to this. See, I had seedlings out here. I had a lot of seedlings. And unfortunately, some old stray dog or something came up here and decided to ransack my whole entire investment. And this is what's left. Some of these tomatoes were planted, so that's a whole month down the drain. Some of them were salvageable, you know, or just some of them didn't get super wrecked, like this pepper here. Kitty cat. But let's look around. And I still have these, so we're gonna check those out too. Now these are the little mini greenhouses that I created from little Tupperware containers. And let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, look at that. That's corn. That's corn. That's corn. This is beans, probably beans and a sunflower. That's beans and corn. This right here is a sunflower, 2 sunflowers, and another tomato. And that's onions right there. And that's a cat. So these didn't come up. Let's remove those. These are mammoth sunflowers, actually. Super sweet 100 hybrid, yellow cherry, tomatillo, beans, and a red sunflower. Corn. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's put this down. Like I said, more corn, Cherokee purple, sweet onions. Let's look at the other. All right. This looks like a sunflower. Yep, red sunflower. Super sweet 100 hybrid. Cherokee purple. Garden beans. More Cherokee purple. More Cherokee purple. Tomatillo. Alright, these didn't come up. Don't know what they were. This was garden beans. This isn't even labeled. You know what? I probably didn't put anything in there, knowing me. Same with this. It's not labeled. Oh, that's labeled. These were shishitos. Actually, there it is. I see it coming up. So we've leave that. Nothing. Alrighty. So let's divvy these up. I'm just gonna put the empty ones down here and stick something else in there. Some more seeds will go in there later. Okay. But the weather's been great, and I think now I can take off the dome and just put these in here. I think the frost is gone. We've had nights that were in the 60s. Like last night was 61 degrees. My plants aren't looking leggy or anything. They're looking mighty, mighty fine. And I think this greenhouse was a success. Well, all except for the mongrels that came. Well, that's it from me on this very, very foggy, lovely morning. And just remember to stay positive and do great things. And hug someone today. Tell them you love them. Tell them they're special. Tell them they mean something to you. And as always, from all of us here to you out there, peace. From the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.